Yes, today is a great day, and I have with me Sohiopa Dumaga Kofi Agtbaze is right here with me. Before that, I would like to ask him his real name. Actually, we don't know his real name. We always say Kofi Agtbaze, Kofi Agtbaze. Before that,
okay. Augustine Okulu.
Okay, Augustine Okulu. Kofi Agtbaze.
Yeah, that's the name. That's the real name now.
Okay. Yeah. So name nya yonko a efonkonya Augustine Okulu. Kofi Agtbaze. Nyanya mavakata duyamokwa. That is what we know for him. It's about some years back. You play me a video which trend so much. Honorable Kofi Agtbaze. So you do maga. You play me a video. I'm probably video man. You can a trend to him. My probably I'm a gara. To him, I'm a gara. Gaje show more. Like in a couple video man.
Thank you very much, Francis. About this opportunity, I want to congratulate the entire Kita Municipal Assembly about the registration that they have doing. Everything is going well, but unfortunately, what I can see here is like the NDC apparatchiks, they are so interested about this SSS.
Okay.
I don't know why they are so interested in this, because I know this is their way back, but they have going to house and tell the people to come in. I mean, when you come, you register, you have to vote for NDC. This is what they are doing. I don't know why they are so interested about this SSS, but we know definitely the work Nanado is doing. Definitely, we know that definitely we are going to win 2020, whether they like it or not, whether they go to house or house, tell the people to come and register and vote for NDC or not. They know what Nanado is doing in this voter regime. So we want to congratulate everybody. They should come and register. It's your own interest, not my interest. So I want to thank the Everlove new TV. We are trying. We are doing your best. We thank God. I love you. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you, Kofi Agtbaze.
Well, friends, Akpa, Anyu, Bauchogba, Alomena knows from. Video mami wa my you are. In fact, in time no happy. Kaka momo sagomu. Ochogaba padia de lakoje kaka. Onya anglo vitijiwe manya. Obame ola gbata yefublochi. South Africa, Japan, America, UK. Fimokota. Moga senya ko moga pompo. Upom.
Okay. Your mind more na ze yefubaka koro ike. Mia maro mia nyaba yefubamo na za ede. Akamaro ho pe bo yefubamo na do akamanya do na yefubba kanyele agbalamo do na pawo do. Fike na po yefubba ganglo to mo.
Ni la wan wenya bare. Faza mi
ba maglo yefubba do nya na atia do nkuda oja.
Okay, wow.
Edo wenya be the chicken let's go me unko baba ga the
video la mo gbo so ni ko la won yen bade bob asibido katama so okay ta flache ma education background I don't go far okay I know the little one that I can so I'm not forcing myself to be there okay ikaba time mo ro of mo mala ma force ko nyama of mo aka ni enyo eba nya ni akanya manya ire mala problem na ko willing peto le commencer fmo pre jako kata they all I mean nya magala ngono go ha but they are doing better there.
You can express yourself even more than them.
Yes, are you getting me? So I know much about them but nya ha oba momo get to nya kabota you know nya the tower na mako na ba nya oyema so
Akpa, after then, population va, and more things came into your way. No kamakawe, oh no na dogwa, oh video ya yopo video, makamakawe na po. Yo dog oh video ya yopo video la fia, adaji wala makawo.
If I lay at about Toma, Amaro yom nyeveleru no UK.
Okay.
Kwa fike mala kata, o kata mala la kako ko. Ania agbaruma la kako video ganya go katako mala katako jimro katako no gamala miamia denye ya enya go masama aka wono onyo dua bachichi ya ala shimina miamaro enya go masama ta video manya ba video kenya kwemi wo ekaba manya video nyen mo interview na wona alaba kata pochichi poso so ran
yema toy magbana yema policy and we were limited registration limited registration wo molele municipal assembly ama ye no gbogbolomba NC to lo pa mo ko over amolom ko chopo nyamanya ya sala agenda ma ba ina ashito mi gbogbolomba ame oko NC to amolom ko chopo mo ko ba vamen ye nye gbamagma pa interview emi o
yeah alabana kpo e ni je ma yi omya ba omya ngulu nkoko akana kpo kata pese e ya ndi siso ne ye e mi dana kola 95% na voter jina eko na ndi si eko ya o strong ore ya alaba 95% to gbara alaba gbagba ala akufo do president akufo do va akpo afififi anu manya tanwo wo kweto yo va kplo o ba no gbogbo ngulu nko emi ato eni sto wa mo ko chopo ma kplo hu o ko mo lo hiche ma
me mi ho do ko me ba ko me fa mo wa
ni ele won nya bare fia me ba strong hole yen o
da karu yo le ma po mai o ya tema ko
ka o to na pe ma yo me na nya nwie ba le video ma ba opon kata
marunku yo fi gwaroji aparachikio
eni si aparachikio opon yo kata o ha maro film ha bi ga roji
okay
ena go basama ta makarji ba interview ono na mfia mi wom gagamra 2024 ma ye maga glom no record ba ni aka maglodari afi mi ba pa maga glogafia aga mavaga ka because I'm more than prophet.
Yes, before then, my video, me popularity, and people used to call you people, Kofi Agtbaze, and video, it got over so many cases on Facebook, and then the same time on YouTube. And people if you because of that, you have connected to some other people. Honorable Makafi Wanya, the regional chairman, Gomoro. Gomoro, honorable chairman, Kofi Wanya, Gomoro, aka Gomoro. Yes. Oh, I know him very well. Honorable, we salute. So,
Gomoro.
Yes, because of him, you were able to connect with him. You are cool with him. The MC for Keta, you are connected to him. Look, what was the extraordinary thing? No one, yeah, me talk about MC like this. Sometimes when you have a main man, personal driver, the municipal have a driver. Kaka one of us have a driver. How? Look at Joe.
No, near long when Francis. Agbami lady, Oba Minamishi, Baminami Baruroni. Nanya Shiko Clockori, Atarun Lafia Audoma. Namamiaji la Obra Namima. Apoto Honorable Makafi Kagbonala, a Kenya regional chairman, the voter region Gbaze. Eke mion kupnya marumi dan kwa Emperor 1 aka Gomoro makarajiba masha majishinchu ya lakata voter jira kata ko even the president today anya mai promofi onja very hard working guy machora kalamara kalama kora kakpaniu ale mo la ko stress for that money ta no mai wo be nya maromi have a confidence there yaji ta fisha fi oto mi jina mi aklero
Bango, you were connected to him. Never Ali can react towards them. Ali can non-nuclear. Ali can buwa. You were able to connect with them. MC, if you yes, still openly migala connected.
No, Honorable Aruchi, Afar is my mentor. Yeah, it's my body. Alaba ama taflache. Na la godo ikona glonya rachonchi. Akana teranchia amayonya alamanani. He's very good guy. Ela humble. Aboboro kwina mashiama. Tamia maro mekpo monu teranchia. Amu manyu wafa wala ka kemi teranchia.
Umajima na adabu bungna. Honorable.
Very sorry, honorable fa. Honorable famanyo wala ka amashama pa amavonli. Ye amashama pa amanyuali. Wa maybe netera honorable fa nu gba makuna na ko aso amavon la gbo. Akanya matera nu gba makuna na aso amanyu la gbanya. Na ma komiele ema. Kaka lanya tepototoma honorable Ruchi fa Kenya MC la Katagba is a very good guy, very humble. Equi is he I mean anya make low so hell because he's young guy. enya go masema ikunye na madala kpo the whole footage na kata the only young guy can MC la kata la footage na maybe onya da ka fara ga ka youngest say kunye ya ni ikwe fo fiara kwela shi afo e manya ta adabu manchi
mofuno
yes go ma no I'm senior brother
yeah ta adabu
manchi so I also give her that respect but in her position ma so manana that respect so me won we share lashi makio me run together one rekpe enya go masema na fi ohia nia mi unshanu la ko mi wana unshanu me re share na jibe enya mata ikata ngboga na o no give me a break.
I should give you a break. Yes nyasala alonu pola fi amile fiflamile Emancipation Beach le Keta Central enye tepe kemi eva no yin onye pe so hi opo dumaga Kofi Agtbaze e la fia ikemi enuma kum mi nya da ka evaro majrum la fia mi aba mi nya ne Kofi Agtbaze anya klimi o video adova. We did some videos formerly and that video trend so much, and because of that video trend I came over today to interview him once again. After that video, what happened and where is he now and what is he doing now? That's exactly what we are doing today. So honorable, yes, but when we put trending video there on social media and no bolomba yenye security le Ghana Port and Harbors le keji leko jo yeka ina je do wala fa
barago baba doma mala night duty la harbor atakama ayin chief security la fia that mala night duty no baba doma ya kanalo onya Monday kumye je dogoma Monday kami Monday eko bo mala doma mala harbor la kaji agota no la zadoma atakama na pe mi makonya koravi ave domi ema koravi amala duty night no mala harbor
yeka ina je do wala fa
oh friends ajo jina munto video ma ajiare chom ikabana po fia magbloba la nyama ba and this is zone here for so many years. Former President Mahama a bled to ya taflache and naminya by Banava Habodoga na Yehoshia Alaba Odako Butoni Erugia Matava will container the Camoderio aka jienye chom le member kayeba ye Pratakufa dova ya dum babaneva katahabo yenkaoga ye woga so molivu oh na habo va duama because mono tema mono yuwa mafuma gavaji koji la yuwa mafuma alaba nanu ka komifona na habo gudu
shama na kpogo gudu
shagbo ko mi ponana maponana tani ma fi bane habo va kata
totrobu ava
nyama force ba mayira gero temalo kumaselo ba mayira dojigo
ta yefa jijo ye pom na la ye mayo
ye joma ye mayia ye ba okay na ma amana na kajimo they should give me a chief security alaba nyama employer mu mayo kamanyala kata bota wodo adodi moto ya na wodo alaba ma no fuma mo video ma aje jom alaba na the manager there anamanya ba ale aje joma woni ma na do yo dogoma jaga ha yo na jiga na
mafu kama nyeto ha makpo video ko manya ba na do ba jagoma application ko ngom na
la application ka ta ma nglo
ata nyata
manya beta flache atana ba jagoma mo fi yo ma jimna chief security already ya nyama employer ko nyaho
afu Kofi Agtbaze every employer doki o
yes of course you know ma jokpo but kata never go container magbegbo wora fuma e ko ni sina fu garanu anu fu e ke do pakata na kpo fuma fi la fia in fact anya ni kanya popom e ke ma jokpo ta ni o kata na ba jere nya jomle mama president Akufo do ele ba onka na support but ni na va katare na nya jolo aka magbo mo record ba na oro gbo na dupla gbo daga Allo, mother got the guy that black ball. You might video monga corner yaman and a mo. A donor jack gomala kata. Many a tarab gop, MPP party yamemala. Mamma Yirema, Choko Yiraji, a Dafo, the Rushimia. That much cheaper than a jack goma, Viva, but to plan a siba. No mamma gonna find white elephanto. No vagina gomanami. Alaba, why back and Yanis Toto, Majimia Hungry. Nyaka Kenya de him, not the mama, and a man Wakata.
You can see Kofi Agtbaze is using big vocabularies. Na pobo Kofi Agtbaze, you go down glojo zamola. Ema emazo aparachikis. Ekba ekawe azamuna.
Well, no, you can go to you never me do football. Taflache. Ania class 3 commerce. Okay. It doesn't matter. But I know much, you know. Yeah. I travel a lot, you know. I've been Pristia, Takwa, and I travel even outside country to Dubai. You know, I work with the white ladies, the white men. You know, I have a lot of experience.
Give me a break. Are you saying you work with the white ladies?
You are aware. I'm telling you, I work with the white ladies and then the white men. You know, well,
yes, Kofi
whatever you understand what I'm saying, you know.
Okay,
so it doesn't matter. Whatever you say, even if you break it, I break it small. You know what I'm saying. Yes. So you know, I'm not an Englishman. Yeah. I'm a Ewe. Yes. Yeah, so hey, I'm a priority, you know. So don't force me to be there. But if you want to force me to be there, I'll be there. Yes. I'm okay. Yeah, I have to be there. You have to be there. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Kofi. So here what do maga?
Yeah, definitely.
Me jimi asagoma. Na making video I don't know. Me apa yapanlogy, me apa social media concerning a wo kuda te pare na ikanya ba shopping mall ade ikata flache mavanya ni ka no social media manya ani ka dojina amagaro opa valia do ha ma dojina o nya ha la fi nya kulomi o video po manya ni ka dojina mo ije mi asagoma nu ka ejo afi ye magba nu ka onya jo afi wa vanya social media no
oh friends anyo
dagadio akoma abwa be damdi he aja gba plan e pa ape ma deri oro ma chenche akoma abwa ba le ga komo kotoku mana este ko la molo no ju adam strength oh for my oh forget to ni okoko ko zonko akafa amova ngo chuma fa
akwa tomu
ape manya le katutu o woge
devil a tama tutu o planter sumone ba ya na move
bo konyo nwa move mlo
mo konyo no
konyo ta no style mo la
akoma ala si
ala shima de
akwa mo over faham ya susu agbon ne ba ofi
apa mo gbo pongo han
akugara kanta godo
oh sweetheart
ko fi share kama so klo kwa ema yin mre won chiro makweda won mo yi makweda raba mo yi abo mimi oh
mi opoma kayo bala pa mi poma
noa mimi ami vi se ma va mimi le kona mata pa
abe akonga mata pu
ali bo bogera
akoko muchika ne sa po 5 cedi avo 5 cedi ko kajo muchika ga
da wo ba ni wo
ko kusmate mai
oh maklitomania fura mala
ape ako 5 cedi mo kana mlo ako 5 cedi akoma avo
avo choke la mom
kana afira lai
anya na madrawi
awo bona kana
akwa na ma chojira ka kwa kwa ni mre share ikana kwa shigba ma capture afi no yin ape akpo kwa kwa ngama avo lo
akwa ngama la bomi
avo ojo
kali diare ta yima na troye ya
yima ma troye obo oyin makuna na ko ga ko be dadi
e fi aju edogo ha mi
ajo ya famo
ya ke va ka fa
Oh, magreba ami oko na ko ga be maku ga tru dali tai son be e pli ho.
Kofi
E ba ya na gbojiri na mo check camera mako.
Maybe you put my hand in my attack of family.
Nyami go ma jema. You if you am ajo holo.
Ajo.
If you like no go fi question me.
Ma yue ba mi oko mako ga na mo. You bo e maku e treve daddy.
Abaye maku o ko be stable on rubber o. Yeah, ka to no. 6 kayen rubber. Abaye mapli o. Abo ko ko ju e. Akpo nyon wale do amia. Naka you are so foolishly on his part. I have a greenness from away from my Afima in your number global near 24 cities called Johnny.
He took it without even paying.
Yeah. So he's going to take the money from the wife.
Oh, yeah,
I'm a panting. How come the Dama woman? Ko o sto ma o gbe fu kekere de te bayi.
Hello, serious.
Amaya plau te lo plau vie.
Na ba tuji mala fialo. No you gain chora tutalo.
Ayalo yon la funji la nyavali agbo anya hamre nyenye jume.
Ye jima na.
Dada ton.
Oba dando ma nyavali aba nyama ba ye mamba ya fi gun afọ ma fi.
Ba amana ko ba. Ba tu
No evidence here.
Bana ko balance tu city.
Balance tu city once dey no.
No na yue na gbe ne ba yen to ye po video.
Make it. I'm going to go video. I got trouble, baby. Mo come here, come here.
Yes.
I'm gonna na. I'm on to
Voice Amadina.
Ah, Yamadi.
We have your throat bolema.
Yeah, madam.
Puma, time open na ko.
You wanna do nyera. Imagine mapu ncho ni ora kanchiu, but oba minamishi, when minami baruroni. A whole me Kofi Agtbaze. People know me. I'm a very jovial guy. They know me in this town. Not even Keta. I have my own car. If you know the university to go, that flash, I'm not verma. Politics are only la. However, my gadget no. It is not true. I like the Mokata or Molaba. Kofi Agtbaze on the social media, is just politics, just to destroy my image, but they will never destroy because people know me. That even I mean Magbamola 24 CD. As I'm talking to you, I can come out my pass. And I use my car, my own private car, to bring you here.
Let us be very frank. You ain't overcome La Pomo. We wanted to do. I call him for this interview, but La Pomo you overcome. But you have a me jam la fiare. So ever jam, he went and buy a fuel. After the fuel, he came and picked me. So he's saying, actually, what happened at the shopping mall about a pomade is just a political talk. Nothing about it. They are only trying to damage his image.
As Kofi Agtbaze. I can't work. Mata chuchuka kwa gara maraka stomach ko. Afia misi 24 CD. 24 CD. Manya 2.4 hour 24 CD. Kasi ba nyamu. Because there is CCTV camera around. Amma ka ko video ma go do manya ka kra mi nyi kenya lejikunu. That guy. Masha manya me hunya. because of the grudgingly they wanted to destroy my image. I don't take it serious. They are making me popular. I don't even get time for them. Because I'm a what do I say? You know, I'm a politician. I'm a family man. I have a lot of people. I'm looking after them.
Yes. And there is so many other people who are even looking after you.
Yes.
Before you.
Yeah.
After you. It's like, oh.
Yeah, you know, I have a big man.
Yeah.
When I don't have anything today, I can even pick my phone. Boss, today nothing for me. Okay, I'm coming. I'll send you something. But for a few minutes before I see, I got something on my phone. So I can never. I'm a serial caller for the MPP, and I'm a communicator for MPP. So I can never go and disgrace myself to go and steal that is such a political issue because of Honorable Makafi. I'm supporting him. That is why there's a group among us. They just want to destroy me because whatever they say, I challenge them.
Okay, meaning, it seems you already said it's a political way of making you unpopular.
Yeah.
So because you are supporting Honorable Makafi Wonya, who is the regional chairman, ruling now, because you are supporting him, there is other parts in the party who does not support that.
Yeah.
That is why they are trying to tarnish your image.
Those greedy people,
Okay.
especially Honorable Sheta Jololo, Adigi.
Honorable Sheta Jololo, I'll definitely interview him.
No, I don't care.
Okay.
Interview him because of parochial interest. That is why they have to go and do this thing against me. But they not even reach there. More female. I'm telling you the fact. Everybody have Godfather.
Oh yes.
Amara Lire is a senior man. You don't go there. So you don't expect yourself to be there. You have to learn. Renedo stronger. The Honorable Makafi Wonya is our mentor. Anya do. Akpo party emi ruchila. Ta nanye Honorable Sheta Jololo. Ta flat chika fashi boyande. Na won gbagbon wo revoke appointment ta. Ina no radio oji. Na ire eji. Na ire eji. Be wanyanchi gblam. Ye wanyanchi gblam. Station to station. The via ola nyicho e ka yo na ba ade I shall survive e ka ola nyicho video no circulating eva gbamara babu acho yire na jimana mara gbafuna mara pe to kata ade e ka no rokiyo menye national piaro na Akufo-Addo ya 2016 ogara mi adoma
na do danko Akufo-Addo the president enya go masama adema 2016 ogara mi adoma da kokpo na Akufo-Addo po ni ejo enya ba ya aba da ko yefa ta o de ba ID card mo o de yo ID card mo
yeah o de mo enya go masama o da ID card mo ni ta yi 2016 o da ko ye ji gbanto jiraka ko da ko na Akufo-Addo akayero ku ye national PR akamela ya is just a name o da rekwiji ala manya fi ocho ta nyama kwela shio ta ihe no ma bra Rafael ko yana ba lichikunu agbinya ike no mo agahoma mo siba o national security ya la MPP amana mi
okay
ya MPP me ba onyalo afini omro gahoma mo si ba o ire national o ire immigration customs police soldier ma kuma chesere nwema
ba magawo
lo be national security lo ma kuma chesere ko fo ba mo ke mekpo marabolo mo na ya mo ga do ko mo na mo jibe ora funa o fura mo na ya mo yo mo de ko enye propaganda mo ba o wanya mafia mishishi ahomi so even though monofone fia kwa batakale domala batakale yala munyafia okay it's 3.5 Ghana cedi okay anya go masama agba amon fafa be nya malagba okay ta amakata because mi onto mi omo kwe MPP me be so ko no omra nchinyafia manya marako game onyo aka wonto ha mazonlie zomile ngogbo yimi akata mileta then man wakata le so it is never true. And I can never go and do that thing. Homie.
You can never go and do that.
I can never go and do that.
Yes, Kofi Agtbaze na mianyaba. Yeah, I can never go and do that thing. Like apopo am fia na mianyaba amishishia kumi gbogbolomba amishishia ke people amishishia eba kwa amishishia shopping mall. And I mean, Agbabe ow. When you do ever fear Mishareko, it's just a political talk, and people are trying to tarnish his image. You go Abakanata do on your bird, do you ever call Amishishi Lafman?
Nearly when we never Amishishi and Tonto. Lenyata to my fear, me interview like bar on the 8th July, your birthday. I like me no fear in your wife for your manama bona, my bona, or an miato in your wife for your manama bona. Maji, if I made shot, the map she covered. So I went there with my guys, about 6 guys. I love me Rafuma. Me no, you may wait for you on a moon and I'm talking bona. You may not go tata, mosquito quell, Hanashi. So I went there with my friends. We went into the supermarket. I'm on home, go quick bato, go Amianto, you wait for you, Mangromiaba. Luckily, and your wife a friend and no mafi. You buy me and your wife a sinayim. So I come here that is stagbo. Alabama guys on Guamia Hamala swear by Makuga told Aliwa. So I returned back to pick the big one. Imaku Darabo. That I'm not born your friend about. I pick Mahoko. Na go do man pay a ga. Magara for never Makugani. Luckily, Kayanya job with Vin we could join you. One or ice cream farmer go ganto maplum. I from there. Unglobe, they couldn't pay Amiapagal. So you can't have a cocumejo. So you want you late manombaji around 11 o'clock. I be me ponya Amika. Yakumala miajo. Make a man yoma, but Madaruki wana makatakola. The following day yom. And I'm about you and your guys over. I make a me but Ghana sister over ow. Gabe ngloba. So from there, quickly come drive down. Iregbo achoga koda shini. Nani yamia. About 24 city car. Imi kwejo enwo kami half outa. Ya ko 35 city. And I pay. That is all. That is all. Akani ya kata video. Amo kata video. Makata mo je video am. Ma yo no fuma. No nyam. Nyam nye gbomo yo nya ta video ma. Okoja channel social media. Onya nya ta ponua. All about Shoroki, when you want come on, not a flat. No, I'm a fifty. No, CCTV camera, la home and a poor mafia. You know, be a mamma, take the camera, go to the police and report that person. Person, I got a macquama if you know over. Oh, my toes, Tom and Noga, but supermarket lazy, Yakugagba, Tamarava, Black Baby, Gbaze, alla, young, Alakpetota, Yoko, Karuna, Kobe, if you know you. No, call I warn you. You are Mokata. Imagine Makan what the Mokumaji Mauna Drubonwa. I don't want to talk about that issue. I can't manage your job. Not where a day element could a video nioma. I call for Kugava Georgivia. I can Yantoga for Famnefia. A Gia Marobono Gigani. I call her Hermna, a Futome of Bavia, and your Kofi Agtbaze, Mo Choro. You must fear Missilo, Mola Calo, Nanya Kofi Agtbaze for Unamara. I've got 1,000 in each. Or I call her Nito. Because Nanya, your domain. And I go myself. No, my name Wakatayama. Namara Mataranchi Biamo, after Nagabo Gbaze Fiami is bullshit. It's bogus. Magbonu Mama, may Junkie Banola Manu. Junkie Okono Bavono, Cocaine Bonmore, Okono Fine. Yamar of Marako. I'm a man of my own. I have a family. For you to go university. Manyata go for my month away. And I go Masama. In you tell a few Gojia, Doria Lasinia. I have my own car driving up and down. Of Lasinia, Dominic Bomb. So, then a man in Wakatayama, friends.
And then a man in Wakatama, Monia, we evacco Amia. Kabon, you couldn't near your valuable O. Your Hokola, the Noah, Amia Vafa.
Nakafako. Nimanera woman. You go over not doing a young robber. You couldn't pay.
I have a video. I can't have a baker on Kwamia, Ika, a Kodokuma, a Bakaruma, Jibea, Akafo. Sanya Salo, Unto Sicho, Epon Egba.
It can be possible, but Margaret supermarket call. The Mapuna canoe supermarket book Bumako. I'm a Sisi, 24 Sidia. Nayako, you saw them I'm a Christian.
Okay.
But then you
go. Let me see. About do you vafma by a plan for real. You have amare your bobo no akafana you. They have a corner. Many do you have a quamu. And moreover, he's a family man. I mean, CC, you can get 24 cities. Matanya aba agbana yepon coach. Moreover, he's always a popular person. You think on a phone, you know more egbe. Runa Gaurai. So why 24 cities Navanyani?
Yeah, flashing your dominant.
Yes, a Wuhale, so it cannot be possible. So in Yazalo, I fear me say Egbatoro, I fear me Egbaton Asegaro, and Luciano come in Boba and Wilma, Agbonami. You comment under it. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV because never subscribe to the next video you can bona Mopogo. Because I mention Amaro and woman and Honorable Shelter Jololo, and mention Agbena. Me and Mokata we interview them. Fika to Africa video. Yeah, me va open custom le video. Me le ko job about video le amarebo le stomach. Dova fi video. How possible is it be over po video la amarebo?
Francis, ni ele won nya ba na watch a video e ko go do me kran susuma le video mu. Because amaya
taflache
susuma le video mu. Taflache na dua. Ni ele tamaba taflache susuma le video me nya ba amaya kele storm. Wa video come na lenya le video bonu wa amagoglom no mu ka ko video ko fiamu ka nu ke ora ram fia because ba gba nu mara mu la ha nya awuye mado video ma o mu la I have the picture on my phone right now fia my special fia mi no ya banya nya ko ni party me beso elekam se odo ona ba elekam se odo ona ba innocent papa goba and then my mother-in-law and my mother and sister. Oh, from there, mejo. That video, madam, mola kronana kamata. Mata just take about Kofi Agtbaze. Yeah, just to destroy my image. But you're going yanko, but yanko then go by me jeshim. Iminyam, handsome boy like me. I can't go there and do that stupid thing. Excuse me to say that. I'm not crazy guy, you know. I'm a mature guy. I'm a very handsome guy. How can I go and stay for me 24 city? It's bullshit.
So you know you heard him.
I can't do that.
He can do that.
It's bullshit.
So you know what to do to it.
Because of politics, somebody wants to destroy my image. No.
So
it can't be possible.
Thank you so much.
I'm going forward. 2024, you see me live, and the position I'll be in the MVP, you will see me already. They envy me. So envy. Ni kumajima kuna mnyabere. Nala party man strong. The party ta oba mare la marachi ye mama okpo mama ye lead him agbe ni ta ma nyama ba ona makafi onya ikuma kurechi na kwa fi matam no nyoso chi nyanya bare madara kala mula it's a very hard working guy allo magbato no ba party do ekore you use asanaka the party nchi even kata municipal assembly afia no va fia goji agamale okona assembly meso city allowance you wait to car and pick money and pay them amaya makpo amatorula la ma ikuma klero ikomia to over we of finish la ba no finish radio ji nya ma wa attack ba fi to nya sheta jololoma ta na pe no pun la video of mama e mo pun nya nka pe la mi le nya sheta jololo because of my father support him that you be nga komunye akai kata politics for fifila fia na me kwe ha mi for na me no aya go masa mama okata akai don't hate them. It's a politics.
Yeah,
I can never do that thing. It's a totally lie just to destroy my image, but they not reach there. More of female.
Thank you so much, Kofi Agtbaze.
Okay, nice one. Subscribe to Everlove TV. Never a video here. Mamieko. Asinya tabako. Everlove TV. YouTube, whatever. Community. I want like me blog. Subscribe. Right to guys. Like one. Tashireji ko subscribe. Right button ako pa cover. So you watch me live. Everlove TV. No size. Keta the B keke. No, if you say the B keke, don't be my hammer. I beg you. No the B keke. God beg you. I beg you.
Bye bye.